What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential altcoins and meme coins in the crypto space. If it has that potential to give you guys a 100x and life-changing gains, we're checking it out on the channel. This project right here has already seen so much attention. Finally getting around to covering it on the channel. It's one of the projects I am super bullish on, and we're gonna dive into it. But as always, not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before investing in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. So in this video, we're checking out Kaspa, one of the best mineable proof of work layer 1 blockchains in the space. We're gonna dive into it, man. This has potential to be a unicorn. It absolutely was crushing it throughout the bear market, and now it has an amazing entry. It looks like it's kind of cooling off to go into a consolidation phase, and it will be a crazy time, man. I'm gonna tell y'all, 100,000 Kaspa, if you hold that amount, you're set up for greatness. I'm telling you, like, I have never been more bullish on a project. 100,000 Kaspa, you are set up for greatness. You ain't gotta get no more than that. I know 3, 4, 500,000, a million is super expensive, but if you could get 100,000 of these bad boys, you chilling, bro. I'm telling you, this going to like $2, $3, man, like Polygon Matic did in the last cycle. Casper is the fastest open source, decentralized, and fully scalable layer 1 in the world. The world's first block DAG, a digital ledger enabling parallel blocks and instant transaction confirmation, built on a robust proof of work engine. Again, proof of work meaning that people can mine this project just like Bitcoin's technology. There's not much projects that have good ROI on mining anymore, especially since Ethereum went to ETH 2.0 and moved into proof of stake, right? So Kaspa could fill the gap for all the miners that has lost out because of Ethereum's merge that took place. And I'll show you guys, you'll see it from all the YouTube videos, all the top YouTubers that talk about Kaspa, all the top mining YouTubers that focus on specifically crypto mining that talk about Kaspa, right? Built by industry pioneers, led by people. The website is built and maintained by Kaspa community members. So the project is fully decentralized because it's death to the previous financial system. So that's why I said decentralized. The project is fully decentralized, guys. There's no team or none of that running Kaspa, man. It's community run, man. It's super bullish, bro. I'm telling you guys, Kaspa is a community project, completely open source with no central governance. They ain't got no foundation like Ethereum, the Ethereum Foundation, that could sell tokens on you guys. Like recently, Vitalik sold some more ETH, right? The Ethereum Foundation sold some more ETH. You won't have situations like that with Kaspa, guys. You won't have situations like that with Kaspa at all. Following the ethos of coins like Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Monero. The coin was free launch without pre-mining or any pre-allocation of coins. Read the full in-depth analysis on the Kaspa features page. And right here you see how the technology works. Technically speaking, Kaspa is a proof of work cryptocurrency which implements the Ghost DAG protocol. Unlike traditional blockchains, Ghost DAG does not orphan blocks created in parallel, but rather allows them to coexist and orders them in consensus. Whereby Kaspa is actually a block DAG. You can see Ghost DAG in action in real time on block DAG visualizer right here. The Kaspa implementation includes a lot of cool features and sub-protocols, including reachability to query the DAG's topology, block data pruning, SPV proofs, and later sub-network support, which will make the future implementation of Layer 2 solutions much easier. Layer 2 solutions as well, guys, making it much easier. You can see the blocks being built out. Man, this is insane technology, man. I'm telling you guys, this is some crazy tech. This is what crypto is all about, the technology. I'm in it for the tech. Fastest transactions, instant confirmation, scalability. Ethereum still ain't you know, have that full scalability because gas fees still kind of through the roof, right? Efficient proof of work, security, block, DAG. They have the latest wallets, dApps, Change, Zelcore, Tangent, OneKey, so you could store it. Remember, you can't store this in MetaMask. This is not EVM compatible, guys. You have to get a, I think they're working on Ledger integration as well. I think I saw a tweet recently about that. So you store the wallet in the dApps that have, you know, the dApp wallets that, you know, support Kaspa, right? Kaspa exchanges. I remember when it was just listed on Mexi. Now it's listed on KuCoin, guys. I'm telling you, Binance could be in the future, Coinbase. These are the type of projects that get the exchange listings because of the technology, what they've built, the community they've built. Like, this is a big project that should not be faded at all. This is one of those ones that will make millionaires. From we're gonna dive into like pricing and stuff like that after the fact. We're gonna go through a bit of Twitter real quick first. Casper accepted here, trusted data agency. Look at the engagement. Look at the engagement. 200 likes, 66 retweets. Love seeing that. Liquid Mining teaming up with Casper. Look at the bunch. New pool via BTC has just launched, Casper mining pool. The miners love Casper, man, and that's what made Bitcoin such a monster, because of the miners, right? That's what made Bitcoin such a monster, because of the miners and its proof of work technology. Casper is rivaling Bitcoin with that, man. I'm telling you guys. 517 likes, 100 retweets. You know, I haven't got my full 100k Casper bag as yet, and I'm going to do it. If it's one altcoin, I'm make sure to get 100k. It's this one. You know, I ain't got money like that right now, guys. I got wrecked a lot in the bear market, but I'm gonna secure at least 100k Casper, man. I'm telling you, you don't want to fade this. This will be a unicorn for the bull run that will change lives. $2 to $3, maybe even $5 is what I'm calling for Casper, similar to what Polygon Matic did. Daily Casper news, new mining pool. The engagement is absolutely bonkers, man. Now integrated in OneKey HQ. This is the wallet right here. You could store your Casper. 900 likes, 250 retweets, all organic, by the way. All organic. Insane, man. So let me show you guys, like, even crypto Twitter is super bullish on Cas. You know, look at this. Moonshot Josh, 13k followers, recently talked about Cas. How far things have come. Just wait until the Casper DAG Night launches, which was created by Hashtag. And Michael Sutton, Hashtag Michael Sutton, allowing Cas to become the first ever parameterless protocol with near instant confirmation times. ETH used Jonathan and AV's 2013 protocol. Let's take a look.
So consensus runs on these two big algorithms. One of them is this LMD Ghost Fork Choice rule, which is an adaptation of this Ghost algorithm that was invented by Jonathan Sapolinski in 2013 to a proof of stake context. And the main goal of LMD Ghost is to be able to handle network latency, be able to handle fast messages, and be able to kind of help rapidly confirm blocks, even if many messages come in parallel.
Crazy, man. Absolutely crazy stuff, guys. This, I'm telling you, the technology, you can't ignore it. There's always people talking about Casper on crypto Twitter. They're always super active. There's always people mentioning the project consistently. The community, remember guys, what takes projects to the next level is community as well. And then when you have crazy utility plus a huge and powerful community, you get crazy moves in the space. You get moves like Shiba Inu, Matic, Pepe, you name it, right? That's what happens. Look at the charting right here. Break to 20 cents for Casper, right? So 100k goes to 20 cents. That's $20,000. You know? And that could happen fast, guys. I'm telling you, you don't want to fade Casper. You do not want to fade Casper. Richie the Ball, holding all the way up to 82k worth of Casper coins, man. Insane stuff. But don't worry, you gotta start small to become a whale. You gotta start with small wins to become a whale. One huge win is all it takes, and like I said, just 100,000 of these, you'll be crushing it, man. Because like I said, 100,000 of these right now is $1,500, right? 1,500. You won't break the bank on something like that, right? 1,500, you won't break the bank. That is affordable, I would think, for a lot of people. Out of all the altcoins in the space, out of all the projects, you know, if this is your last $1,000 that you have to invest, I would say take the chance on Casper, guys. I would definitely say that. You know, don't worry about the market cap being 282 million. Projects like this could go to like 100 bill market cap, 200 bill market cap in the next bull cycle. I'm telling you, it is just that bullish. Let me show you guys another reason why. Miners. I was on live stream talking about it last night. Look at all the videos right here about Casper miners, the new Casper miner, Tech Hunter, 33,000 a day mining Kaspa, Crypto Jar, Tech Hustler, Tactical Investing, Voxcoin 13 days ago. This is a huge YouTube channel, 610k subscribers. One of the biggest crypto mining channels, because his channel is mainly focused on making videos about mining crypto, right? Super bullish on Kaspa, right? When the bull market is bad, these are the people that's gonna be talking about the project. And then retail, they're gonna jump on this like they're gonna jump on this like some wolves, you know, that were starving, getting their last piece of meat, man. I'm telling you. So yeah, guys, don't fade Kaspa. 100k is all you need, in my opinion, and that would be life-changing for you in the future. And this is not me being a moon boy or anything. I'm being legit as can be with that statement, okay? If you hold Casper, let me get your thoughts down below. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about Casper and myself will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.